What's up, guys? It's Sam from Fall Down Faceplant today, and if you can't tell by my shirt and this box here, I went to the Huskers game today, and me and my cousin got this box full of cards. So he took his, and I'm not sure what he's doing with them right now, but I opened 2 packs, and I got some pretty good cards. I got this Husker. I got Amir. I got Kenny Bell, and okay, so I'm gonna show you something really strange about. This is all the baseball players, and they have the strangest faces ever. Look at that. Okay, so now that I've gotten that out of the way, I'll sort those later. Time to get to these 3 packs. So I'll open the first one. So I got Lincoln, Nebraska, Brian Dulenzing. Ooh, this is good. I got Alex Gordon. Another Pinnacle Bank Arena. I have 2 of those now. Dan Jennings. Will Compton. Sam Kosh. And Randy Gregory. So that's pretty good. They're decent cards. Alright, next pack. So we got Stanley Jean Bassett. We got, ooh, this one's an old guy, Roger Craig. I got Prince Amukamara, which is cool. Oh, I got an Honors Prince Amukamara. I got Muhammad Siesti. I got an Alfonso Dennard. Another Amir Abdullah, that's my 3rd. Okay. And Miles Paul. So, last pack. Stupid pack. So, Roy Helu Jr., Quincy Anu, Max Lawson. Oh. This is one of the really rare cards. So this is Amir Abdullah's jersey right there. That's a piece of Amir Abdullah's jersey. Then you got, oh, a Rex Burkhead. That's pretty cool. Another, that's my 2nd Ndamukong Suh. And then Larry Abendsent. So that'll be it for this video. I think probably the coolest card I got was this Amir Abdullah card, because it has a piece of his jersey. So thank you for watching. Comment down below, like, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video.